Influence Louise with Louise McCare, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing something different. I'm going to be presenting two jar lids made with the same colors, yet I get very different results. And I wanted to show you side by side the creations as I go through them, so you can see for yourself the different colors that I'm using in the amounts and what the different results I yield. And I'm trying to do this as simply as possible, so I have one side, the left side, streaming the conversation, and the other side is quiet. So you're going to hear one side of conversation. Some of it might be a little bit chopped because of the way I chopped the video a bit, but you'll get the gist as we go along. I think you'll find some of it funny because a lot of the video is very stream of consciousness. So without any further ado, let me get you started and let's get this show on the road, and let me know what you think about the side by side. All right. And I tell you, on my videos, guys, I like to get to the point. And I think you like to get to the point too. I know when I was a viewer, when I was learning and I was watching as a student of this, I really liked it when somebody would kind of just get right into it. For me, I've been accused of this before, not being friendly. It's not a matter of not being friendly. It's just a matter of, I just want to get to the point. I spend far more time editing a video than I do creating one of them, to your benefit, because you guys just get the important information in the nuts and the bolts. And I spend, it depends on the video, but I can spend 3 hours editing a video, especially for the Thursday night deals. Because it just takes time to convey the story of the creation that you're making, because I look at it like storytelling, and you got to catch all the information. You don't want to miss any important parts, but you still have got to leave enough in that you understand all the linkages from one side to the other of the story. I don't know if I mentioned it to this group, but I used to be in writing group a long time ago when I first came home from being at work with 3 kids. And I started to write. I actually wrote 2 books. Haven't published them. But you learn how to tell a story and how to edit. Australian Floetrol cell activator. That's the white. The black, and I'm almost out of the black. Here we go. I'm having trouble. There we go. Oh, this is so cute. Let's give it a girl. Let's give it a girl. Let's give it a girl. Okay, girl, let's go. This lid is so small, I don't know how I'm going to handle it. It is like bonsai on channels that are different places, I should just say, that, coasters isn't real art. But I'll tell you what, I challenge people to work in such a small scale. I think it's harder to work on a smaller scale than it is larger scale. One more whirl. Okay, folks. Now see if I can pick this thing up. Wow. This is so small. And gloves that are not going to cause me trouble. Okay, so here's this one. Very, very cool. So here are the two, and just so you know, the yellow one was my first one, and I almost redid it because there was hardly any green in it. And on the second one, you can see I overcompensated by adding too much of that olive drab color. And as I've mentioned in prior videos, I will compensate from one coaster to the next depending on the results I'm getting. And in this case, with the yellow one, I hardly had any green, so I added probably too much green for the second one. But look at the difference, it's amazing. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video and my voiceover. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all, and you'll get all my latest art tutorials. Also, hit the thumbs up and please leave your comments. I want to know what you think about this format. Thanks, everyone.